Okay, we've all been there. You're super motivated to meal prep for the week, but then you see it, a mountain of vegetables just waiting to be chopped. It's the one job that takes forever. Your cuts are all over the place, and it makes a complete mess. But what if you could get perfectly diced veggies with just one push? Well, that's the promise of a kitchen gadget that is absolutely blown up on TikTok, and today we are going to find out why. And hey, if you want to see the product on Amazon for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description.
So first, let's just get right to the heart of the matter. Preparing ingredients, it's the biggest pain point in home cooking, right? It's that one step that stands between us and that healthy, delicious meal we actually wanted to make.
And look, this is about so much more than just cutting up some vegetables. It's the endless dicing, the time that just disappears, and trying to get all those pieces to look the same. And don't even get me started on the mess. It is, without a doubt, the most dreaded part of cooking for a lot of us, and for very good reason.
So what's the answer? How do you get around all that frustration? Well, you're looking at it. Enter the viral kitchen solution designed to tackle that chopping problem head-on.
Let's meet the star of the show, shall we? This is the original Full-Star Pro Chopper, and it's not just a chopper, it's also a spiralizer and a slicer, all packed into one handy little gadget.
And listen, this isn't just some random tool. The makers themselves say it's been creating waves on TikTok. You know, when a kitchen gadget goes viral like that, it's because it has seriously struck a chord with people who are just looking for a smarter, faster way to get things done.
And this right here really gets to the core of why people love it. I mean, think about using a regular knife. It takes forever, the cuts are never quite the same, and your cutting board ends up a disaster. The chopper promises the exact opposite. It's fast, you get perfectly uniform pieces every single time, and everything is contained. All from one simple push.
Okay, so that all sounds great, but how does it actually do it? Let's break down the mechanics and see what really makes this thing tick. The whole process is designed to be, well, ridiculously simple. You just pick the blade you need, you put the vegetable on top, and then you press the lid down. That's it. That one single motion does all the work, and all those perfectly chopped pieces fall right into the little catch tray. No more onions flying across the kitchen, no messy cutting board.
Now, the real magic here is in the blades. It comes with 4 different ones you can swap out, and they're all made from this heavy-duty 420 stainless steel. All that means is they're super tough, they won't rust, and they're built to stay razor sharp. So yeah, they can handle hard stuff like carrots or potatoes, no problem. It even comes with spiralizer attachments if you want to make some zucchini noodles.
And if you look at the specs, you can see this thing is really built to last. The body is made from BPA-free impact-resistant plastic, so it can take a beating in a busy kitchen. We already know the blades are tough. And at less than 8 inches long, it's small enough that it's not going to take over your entire counter.
You know, a tool can have great specs on paper, but it's the little design details that decide whether you're actually going to want to use it every day. So let's see how this chopper is built for the real world.
And this is where it gets really smart. The handle has a soft grip, so it's comfortable and gives you total control. And the non-skid rubber base, that's a brilliant touch. It keeps the whole thing from sliding around, even if your counter is wet. Add in the mess-free catch tray and locking blades for safety, and you've got a tool that's not just powerful, but genuinely a pleasure to use.
And here it is, the feature we all hope for, the cleanup. When you're all done chopping, the entire thing is dishwasher safe. You just toss it on the top rack. That's it. No more trying to scrub tiny bits of food out from between sharp blades.
So great features are one thing, but why has this specific chopper gotten so popular? Well, it really comes down to a mix of solid performance and a whole lot of public trust.
For starters, it's earned the Amazon's Choice Badge. And that's not just some random sticker. It means the product is highly rated by tons of users. Amazon thinks it's a great price for what you get, and it's ready to ship immediately. It's basically a big stamp of approval for quality and reliability.
And if that wasn't enough social proof for you, it's also the #1 bestseller in its entire category on Amazon. That's huge. That means thousands and thousands of people are buying this thing, and judging by the ratings, they are really happy with it. So what does the company itself call it? A kitchen essential. And you know what? That totally makes sense. It's not just for expert chefs or for people who are just starting out. It's so simple and so versatile that it's valuable for pretty much anyone who wants to save a little time and effort in the kitchen. So I guess the final question is, does this gadget actually live up to all that viral hype? Well, based on its smart design and its overwhelming popularity, it really seems to solve a problem that pretty much all of us face in the kitchen. If you're ready to completely change your meal prep game and get those perfect results without all the time and mess, go look at the description. There's the direct link with a discount.